What is good, YouTube? This is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be getting into another embroidery design, and this design will be the Champions logo, the clothing line Champion. So I'm still doing the logos for the big companies that's out here. So I do have the Champions logo right here. I'll see what I have next. Maybe Nike, or I don't know, try to do a polo horse. It doesn't matter. But if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below right now. But other than that, we will be going ahead and getting to the video right now. So stay tuned, guys, and continue watching. Appreciate it. Let's get it. All right, so I do already have everything set up. I am using a green fabric because I needed a light color just to show, because it's only going to be red and blue. But I just needed a light color, and I ran out of white. So this is the only other light color that I have other than yellow, but I just went with the lime green, I guess. So I will be purchasing more, so stay tuned for those too. I will be having more colors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start it right up. All right, on to the next color. That was the only color, red, for that. So go ahead and clip that, pull that out. If I can get up in there. Yep, got it. And we're gonna switch off to the red. I might just record the whole video. It's only like 9 minutes, so just stay tuned, guys. So I did do this part of the design without a back stitch, really the whole design without a back stitch. So I just want to see how clean it'll come out without a back stitch. I'm so used to using back stitches because I feel like it's more cleaner for once, and you don't see the background depending on whatever the color is also as well. So that's why I usually use that back stitch, but just for this one I didn't. Just want to see how it come out. If it don't come out great, next time I do it, it will have a back stitch. So. I mean, right now it doesn't look bad so far. I cannot see the lime green in the background, so that's a good thing. So maybe next time I don't have to use the back stitch on another design, but you know, time will tell. We'll see though. But so far it looks great. And actually, this stitch out right here, oh, well, let's see what just happened here. So we just ran into a tiny little problem, which is the bobbin thread is almost empty, so I got to go ahead and change it. I'm actually using short bobbins. Please don't judge me for this, but at the end of the day, I got to do what I got to do. So I'm actually using short bobbins because I have so many small ones, like just laying around, and I'm the type that I like to have fresh bobbins, so I hate using the ends of bobbins. So I literally have just a lot of short bobbins laying around, and I am trying to use them up. So Bear with me, guys. So I just swapped out my old bobbin for the new one. As you can probably see, that piece of thread sticking up. That's where I started it at. No rush to cut it later. But I'm literally using all of these single bobbins that's just sitting next to me. Just trying to use all these bobbins up. That gap get covered. If not, I know the reason why. I did add a second pull or 2 pull compensations for the C logo, and I think it's too big. Yeah. Or it might have got moved and when I was digitizing the design, because it was straight and perfect before I transferred it over. I don't know, but that's a huge. No, actually, it's probably the pull comp, because I'm looking at the back side now, and that little piece is not supposed to be there. We'll see. Coming out clean. I know I'm gonna have to change the bobbin soon again. Maybe, maybe not. But just trying to let this stitch out for now. So stay tuned, guys, and if you haven't done so and you're still here watching the video, go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and also thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys again. So let's take this out of the hoop and see how it came out. So let me know, how did it come out? Other than that part right there, I'm still kind of confused on this part. I'm gonna go back in the software and check it out and see what happened. But that was not supposed to be there at all. That's a huge gap. I doubt it's because of the pull. I think the design literally got scooted over, and that's why that happened. So yeah, but how did it come out so far, guys? Let me know. I'm trying to get a nice little close-up on it. Champions logo. So if you guys love the video, like the video, go ahead, once again, hit that bell notification, subscribe to the channel, and hit the thumbs up. More videos on the way, more videos coming soon, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. More amazing designs coming up. Once again, it's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed, guys, and continue to strive for greatness. Peace out.